Come, you hurt your little sister. Huh? Give me the knife, huh? Give me the knife. Oh no, Mom, I'm sorry. How could you? Where's my baby? You animal. How did you do that to your little sister? You're just a big kid. You're just a minor. How dare you? You're just a big kid. How dare you? You are just a minor. Why did you do that? Because he let me lose in the basketball match, you know that. He distracted me and he let those brats win. Oh my god. There's no reason for you to do that. You're grounded for 3 months additional. Go to your room. No, no, no. My baby. They just bring him to the hospital. Yes, let's go. Hey, I think he's okay now. Okay, time to call her parents. Okay, sir, ma'am. She's not okay. She got head injury. We better heal him before it's too late. This is a very dangerous site. Oh no, why would my oldest son do this? He's just a minor, 12-year-old. He's just big kid. Don't worry. Don't worry. We will heal her soon. Bro. Okay, we better go now. Okay, see ya. I'm so sorry for my sister because I killed her. Why do you have to do this, huh, son? You're just a kid. Oh, I'm sorry, Dad, because he let me lose in the game. There's no excuse to kill your sister. Now this is your punishment day. No, I'm gonna whip your butt. And you're gonna be grounded for additional 3 months again. You're gonna be grounded. That's what you get for killing your sister. For killing my dad. This is what you get for killing your sister. You better suffer there in your room. No food. But Dad, I'm sorry. going for work today. Little but it's unfair. I need to sleep now. And I'm sorry about my sister and go apologize to her tomorrow. I'll sleep. But I don't have light. So let me get a light. Okay, time for nice and shine. Since mom and dad is not here because they came to visit my sister, when she arrives here tomorrow, when she arrives here, I will apologize to her. Okay, let me go, let me go, okay, let me go somewhere else, let me change up, let me go to my sister's hospital, but I don't know where's the way. Wait, I mean I will have to hang out with my friends. I think I'm gonna use a bicycle. Okay, after he went to his friend's house. Oh, hey, bro. Hey. Hey, bro. Wait. What? Can we hang out? I'm bored. Okay. What you want? I'm bored. Let's hang out. Okay. Where do you wanna hang out? In the movie? go. What? I'm already sad because my dad ground me for killing my sister. He's in the hospital for that. But she's still alive. Okay. Come on to my house. Okay. Bro, this door sucks. Bro, this door sucks, man. Yeah. Why is your door like this? Because we can't afford anything. Because we just have this house. Look at my house. It's pretty okay for me, but me it's it's a normal door, but we can still afford it, but it's just a small house. Okay. Wait. Okay, let's go. Let's go, bro. Inside you to my house. Let's play. Okay. Bro, this door sucks again. Okay, let's go to your room. Let's play video games. Okay, let's play some video games, okay? Okay, I'll be in my computer first. Okay. Okay, why? Can I watch you play? Okay. Well, you have a nice computer. Me is just a computer box, I think. Okay. I don't have a computer, but why you? Because we just spent our money on this one. But we don't have computer. We're just a normal family. Yeah, me. We're just a normal family also. But I can still afford this. It's just 100. This cost 20,000. Wow, so cheap. So I just knew that computer cost 50,000. Okay, let's just play our game, Roblox. Let's play Fortnite. Okay, 5 minutes later.